Annual definition, annual in a sentence, annual pronunciation, annual meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of annual. 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 Annual means occurring once every year. Common usages in academic writing: an annual occurrence, an annual event, annual migration. Example sentences: annual, adjective. The monarch's annual migration begins as far north as southern Canada. Example sentence number 2, the conference in California is an annual event that has been running for 8 years. The common academic writing variation is annually, adverb. Deciduous forests shed their leaves annually from September to November in the Northern Hemisphere. Please write a sentence using annual in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use annual confidently in your research papers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next research paper word video.